Hello everyone. Today I Kunal Singh and my group members Dheeraj Joshi, Diptansh Chaudhary and Abhinav Rana are here to give you a brief description of our experimental setup titled Experimental Analysis of Integrated Mechanical Subcooled Vapor Compression Refrigeration System. We are performing this project under the supervision of Mr. Daming Sulan. This system is basically a modification of simple vapor compression refrigeration system in which we are using subcooling technique. This technique is basically the further cooling of liquid refrigerant exiting from the condenser, which we are using in this. Here we are using in this by using an integrated subcooling loop attached to a simple vapor compression refrigeration cycle.
Now I am going to show you the components and the general description of our setup. This is an air-cooled evaporator. It changes the phase when a saturated liquid refrigerant enters into it. Then the saturated vapor enters into the 1 ton compressor. Then compressor helps to increase the pressure of our refrigerant. Then the superheated vapor enters into the air-cooled condenser. After the condensing process, all the refrigerant enters into the receiver. After the receiver, the refrigerant divided into 2 cycles, then goes into the main cycle, another into the subcooler cycle. In the main cycle, the refrigerant first undergoes for the subcooling process in the subcooler, where the temperature of the refrigerant decreases. Then further it goes for the expansion process. After the expansion process, it is again entered into the evaporator. Now come to the subcooler cycle. Here we are focusing on the subcooling cycle, in which the refrigerant first enters into the expansion valve, where the pressure and the temperature of the refrigerant is decreases. After the expansion process, the refrigerant then enters into the subcooler, where the mutual heat exchange occurs. Then the refrigerant goes into the 1/3 ton compressor. After the compressor, then the saturated vapors goes and mix into the main cycle, where it mixes with the main cycle refrigerant before the condenser ends.
I am going to demonstrate the different indicators and controllers of the system. So this is the main supply where we can turn on and off the system. These are the different indicators to turn on and off the components. It is the voltage given to the system, it is the current given to the small compressor, and it is the current going to the big compressor. It shows the room temperature, and this is the data acquisition system which shows the temperature and pressure at different points manually, and also it shows the data through a prolog software where we can make further analysis. And this is the control regulator of the condenser and evaporator fan where we can use to control the speed. And this is the energy meter where of both the compressor in kilowatt hour.